In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your device being connected to the Wi-Fi but the internet not working problem. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is just open up your settings. After you open your settings, just go to the Wi-Fi option. Now just turn off your Wi-Fi, turn it back on, and maybe even try to forget your network and try to hit your password and use it again. If that does not work, what you'll want to do is go to your settings again, and after you're on your settings, just scroll down till you find general option. Now here, just check your software. Now make sure that your software is up to date. It might be due to a software error that your Wi-Fi is not working properly. So as you can see right here, I have a software update available, which I will update. So after updating your software, if your Wi-Fi still does not work, just go back to your settings and go to general again. Scroll down all the way down till you find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset. Now right there on the second option, you will see reset network settings. Tap on reset network settings, type in your password, and after you type in your password, your network configurations will get reset on your iPhone. And after doing that, your internet should be working just fine. But if it's not working fine, the problem might be on your Wi-Fi, which you might want to call your internet provider to get fixed. So yeah, that is basically how you fix it, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.